The Brighton Bush Sanctuary was built in late 1984 to commemorate the deaths of a couple of our community members who'd been killed 1 year prior, in 1983 in an accident on Highway 22. Those two people were Dinah Ross and Greg Bentz. Another member of our community was killed very close to where Dinah and Greg were killed. That person's name is Eric Ellis.
Mark and Scott Ellis, Eric's brothers, have offered a matching fund gift of at least $200,000 for the purpose of rebuilding the sanctuary and also a memorial to Eric.
As part of this matching gift opportunity, you can honor yourself or a loved one with a memorial brick that'll be used in the landscaping around the sanctuary. So please donate today to help us reach our matching gift and to help us also realize the sanctuary for all who come for healing and rejuvenation here at Brighton Bush Hot Springs.